स्वागत है आप सभी का आप अपने यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 11th बायोलॉजी के सिलेबस के बारे में डिटेलिंग करेंगे, जो कि सीबीएसई ने 2021-22 के एस्पायरेंट्स के लिए रिलीज किया। तो बायोलॉजी कोर्स स्ट्रक्चर क्लास 11 2021 थियरी, देयर आर मेनली 5 units in biology. First one, diversity in living organism, structure, organization, plant and animal, cell structure and function, plant physiology, human physiology. Diversity in living organism have 4 chapters and consist of 12 marks. The living world, biological classification, plant kingdom and animal kingdom. These 4 are consist of 12 marks. 12. Okay. If you talk about unit second, structure, organization, plant and animals, this consists of 3 main chapters: morphology of flowering plant, anatomy of flowering plant, and chapter 7, structure, organization in animals. This also consists of 12 marks. If you talk about unit 3, cell structure and function, then cell, the unit of life, this as well as biomolecules and cell cycles. These 3 chapters will consist of total 12 marks again. 12 marks again. If you talk about unit 4, plant physiology, then in this there are mainly 5 chapters, I think. Transport in plants, mineral nutrition, photosynthesis, higher plants, cellular respiration, and plant growth and development. Plant growth and development, these consist of 17 marks. Plant physiology consists of 17 marks. If you talk about unit 5, human physiology, in human physiology there are mainly 7 chapters: digestion and absorption, breathing and exchange of gases, body fluids and calculation, excretive product and their elimination, locomotion and movement consist of, and mainly 2 more chapters: neural control and coordination, and chemical coordination and integration. These consist of 17 marks as well. Means plant physiology and animal physiology consist of total 17 marks. Means total plant physiology and animal physiology will 34 marks, and diversity of living organism will 12 marks, structure, organization, plant and animal will 12 marks, and cell structure and function will 12 marks. Means total 17 marks in your 5 units. If you talk about the practicals, then there are mainly, these are the practicals of class 11 biology group. One major experiment, party experiment number 1378. This will consist of 5 marks. If you talk about practical second, one minor experiment 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 consist of 4 marks. And in third, slight repression party experiment number 2, 4, 5 consist of 5 marks. Spotting part B will consist of 7 marks, one of the important practical of class 11th biology. Practical record plus viva, project record plus viva will consist of 5 plus 4, 9 marks, means total 30 marks for your practical is here. So these are for the class 11th biology group. Okay, now we will move to the physics. Okay students, if you talk about the physics, then there are mainly how many units we have? We have almost totally 10 units. Okay, in 10 units we have first unit, physical world and measurement. Then in this there are mainly 2 chapters, chapter 1 physical world and chapter 2 units and measurement. Okay, and unit first and unit 2, this will consist of your 23 marks of physics. I think no, there are unit third as well, laws of motion. means unit 1, 2, 3. These 3 units will consist of your 23 marks of physics: physical world and measurement, kinematics, and laws of motion. In physical world and measurement, there are mainly 2 chapters: physical world, units and measurement. In kinematics, there are mainly 2 chapters: motion in straight line and motion in plane. If and unit 3rd, laws of motion, then there are only 1 chapter in this, laws of motion. If you talk about the unit 4th, unit 4, 5 and 6. Unit 4, 5 and 6 consist of mainly 17 marks. Your 17 marks, and these are work, energy and power, motion of system of particles and rigid body, and gravitation. In work, energy and power, there are 1 chapter, work, energy and power. Motion of system of particles and rigid body, and there are mainly 1 chapter, system of particle rotational motion, and gravitation. So gravitation means unit 1, 2, 3 consist of your 23 marks. Unit 4, 5, 6 consist of your 17 marks. Okay, if you talk about unit 7, 8 and 9. Unit 7, 8 and 9 total consist of 20 marks. In this, properties of bulk matter, thermodynamics, behavior of perfect gases, and kinematics, theory of gases. So in properties of bulk material, there are 3 chapters: mechanical properties of solids, mechanical properties of fluids, thermal properties of matter. And in thermodynamics, there are 1 chapter, thermodynamics, and behavior of perfect gases and kinematic theory of gases. There are only 1 chapter, kinematics theory. If you talk about last unit of your physics, class 11, that is oscillation and waves, then there are in these two chapters: first oscillation and second waves. These consist of 10 marks. And total unit 1st, 2nd, 3rd 23, unit 2nd, unit 4th, 5th and 6th 17, unit 7, 8 and 9 20, and unit 10 marks. So total 17 marks. So if you talk about the practicals, I think the record to be submitted by a student at time of their annual examination has to include record of at least 12 experiments with 6 from each section to perform by student, record of at least 6 activities, report of project carried out by the evaluation scheme. What with the evaluation scheme? 10 to experiment, 1 from each section, 7 marks, means 14 marks. Practical record, experiment and activities 5 marks, means 29 total, means 19. This is consists of 19. 1 activity from any section, 3 marks, 22. Investigatory project, 3 marks, 25. And viva on experiment, activities and project, total 5 marks, means 30 marks. These are all your practicals. Okay, so student, now we are going to discuss about the chemistry of class 11th. Okay student, if you talk about the chemistry, then there are how many units in chemistry? There are mainly 14 units in your chemistry. Okay, if you talk about the unit first, some basic concept of chemistry and structure of atom. These two consist, unit first and 2 consist of total 11 marks. Some basic concept of chemistry and structure of atom, total 11 marks. Classification of elements and periodicity and properties, this alone carried out, total 4 marks. Okay, unit 4, 5, 6 and 7 will consist of chemical bonding and molecular structure, states of matter, gases and liquids. Okay, states of matter, gases and liquid. States of matter, gases and liquid. General thermodynamics, equilibrium. These are consist of 21 marks, means unit 5, unit 4, 5, 6 and 7. 21 marks, important unit. If we talk about the unit 8, 9, 10, 11, then in this consists of redox reaction, hydrogen S block elements, some P block elements. This is consist of your 16 marks. In unit 12, 13, organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques, hydrocarbons, consist of total 18 marks. Okay, and in last, environmental chemistry, 6. This is consist in that organic chemistry, some basic principle and technique, hydrocarbon, environmental chemistry, consist of 18 marks. Means total first unit and second unit, some basic concept of chemistry and structure of atom, consist of 11 marks. This is consist of 11 marks. And then after, classification of elements in periodicity and property alone consist of 4 marks. Chemical bonding and molecular structure, states of gas matter, chemical thermodynamics, equilibrium, these are consist of your 21 marks. Then after 26, then after 16, then after 18, means unit 1 and 2 consist of your 11 marks. Unit 3rd alone consists of 4 marks, and unit 4 to 7 consist of 21 marks, and unit 8 to 11 consist of 16 marks, and then 12 to 14 consist of your 18 marks. These are your 70 numbers. Okay, now in detail, if we talk about evaluation scheme of examination, practicals in chemistry, practicals, volumetric analysis, total 8 marks, salt analysis, total 8 marks, content based experiment, 6 marks, project work, your 4 marks, class record and viva, 4 marks, total 30 marks, 70 plus. Then after, your 70 plus 30 is equal to total 100 marks of chemistry you have done. Okay student, now we are talk about our last, that is maths. Okay, if you talk about class 11th maths, then first unit, sets and function, total it consists of 23 marks, important unit, 23 marks. If you talk about unit second, algebra, consists of 30 marks, coordinate geometry consists of 10 marks, calculus 5 marks, mathematical reasoning 2 marks, and statistics and probability 10 marks. This will is equal to 80 marks. There is no practical in math, and 20 marks of your internal assessment. So these are, means sets and function 23 marks, algebra important for exam purpose 30, coordinate geometry 10, calculus 5, mathematical reasoning 2, statistics and probability 10. So these are sets and function. Yes, trigonometric function, these are available here. Means in mathematics there is no practical basically. So for that, 20 marks for internal assessment. For internal assessment, how internal assessment is calculated, periodic test, base 2 out of 3 tests conducted, it consists of 10 marks, and mathematics activities consist of 10 marks. So these are your 100 marks of mathematics. So students, I hope you all understand the syllabus of your science, that is physics, chemistry, math and biology. So if you like the video, then please like. If for detailing explanation and for more such videos and for study purpose, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay, thank you very much.